Hello everyone, and welcome to another video that we are doing. This is a little bit different. Today I am doing a flip through of all of my October spreads. So I have 5 happy planners. I have 2 big vertical planners, 1 big horizontal, 1 classic vertical, and 1 dashboard happy planner. I use all of them, so I use them for different things, so I'll go through that as I'm flipping through. So we are going to do a flip through of all of the October spreads, starting with the one I use as my social media content tracker. So I should mention I don't use my monthly spread. So the monthly calendar in all of my spreads is empty. I don't decorate it. I don't write things down in it. I only use the weekly layouts. So we turn to this layout, which I forgot I made this. Let's zoom in just a little bit. So we come to this spread. Then this is when I started doing the fall spreads because the weather here in Chicago started changing, started getting colder, and I thought, well, this is a good time to start doing the fall spreads. So what I used to do in this social media content tracking planner was to divide the areas, to separate the rows with washi tape and put things to post, film, and prep. I don't do it that way anymore. I found a system that works a little bit better, but this is how I used to do it. And this was the first of the fall spreads that I did, and I absolutely love it. Then we have another fall spread that was a little bit more muted colors, more pastel colors, but still like with the fall leaves and pumpkins and things like that. And then we come to the Halloween spread, which I absolutely love how this turned out because I used the Craft Smart sticker book for this one, and it wasn't made for the happy planner, especially not the big happy planner, but I actually like how this turned out, how I used the small stickers at the top, how I used the tombstones at the bottom, and the squares and checklists in the middle. That worked out really well for this week. And that is the end of that one. Then we come to the horizontal happy planner that I use as my academic planner. So we're going to come to October again. And the layout, the color scheme was already laid out for the horizontal planner. It was navy blue for the month of October. So I used blue stickers to complement that. So we have this one and this one. And then I got a comment on a video that said, from a viewer that said that they use washi tape to change the color of their spreads for the horizontal spread. And I thought that was a brilliant idea, so I decided to do that. So I changed from blue to orange and created a fall spread, and I love how this turned out. I love this washi tape that says I love fall. That's probably the best part of this whole spread. Then we have this pumpkin fall spread, and then we come to the Halloween spread, which is pretty minimal. And that is the last of those. Then we come to the classic sized happy planner that I use as my health and wellness planner. So again, we're going to turn to the beginning of October, and I did this really cute pink themed spread. Then this was the first of the fall spreads in this planner. This turned out really cute. Another fall spread. Another fall spread. I loved doing the fall spreads. I wish I could do more, but I literally used up probably all of my fall stickers. So if I want to do more fall spreads, I have to buy more sticker books, which I'm not going to do right now. So yeah, this was the end of the fall spreads that I did for this planner. And then we come to the Halloween spread, which again, I used the Craft Smart sticker book for this one also, and it turned out really well. I love the variation of the stickers on this page. They're all different. I use checklists, I use the decorative stickers, I use layering with boxes. There's just a lot going on, and I like that. So that's the end of that one. Then we come to the dashboard layout planner that I use as my home planner, that I put things that I have to do for the household, well, household, for the apartment. Things like chores, meal planning, errands, things like that. So you come to this one. This was the end of September, beginning of October. I did this pink flower spread. Then this was the beginning of the fall spreads that I did in this planner. I used the Craft Smart sticker book for this one too. I can always tell when I use those stickers because they don't really fit into the planner that well, but I love how I kind of make it work. This was the first time I put something over this area to cover up, because this was pink. This was a pink square like it is on this page, but I covered it up and that turned out really well. But I went back and I did a pink spread for this one, but it's still fall-ish. It's kind of fall themed because it has like the browns and tans and things like that. And this was a fall spread I did, putting the leaves at the bottom. And I also, again, put something to cover up the pink square that was over here on this side. This was the Halloween spread I did, which was a pastel Halloween themed spread, which I love how this one turned out. I was surprised at how well it turned out, but I really, really like it. And that's the end of that one. And we come to the last one, which is my personal planner that I use for everything that doesn't fit into the other planners. So we have this one. I used the Dream Seeker sticker book by the Happy Planner for this one. This was the first of the fall spreads. This was the first time I used people in my spread. I used the Wrong sticker book by the Happy Planner to do this one. This is another fall spread. I love the washi tape that I use. This yellow and green flower washi tape was really pretty. This was another fall spread I used with the seasonal Wrong sticker book and the old fall sticker book by the Happy Planner. And this was the Halloween spread that I did. And this one also has a lot going on. I have layering, I have like 3-4 different kinds of washi tape. I have the girls in the Halloween costume, I have spider webs, I have just pumpkins, bottles down here at the corner, and bats. There's just like so much going on this page, but I was really excited to write my plans down for this week, so that was fun. And that is the end of that spread. So that is how I use all of my planners. It's a lot. Sometimes I think about cutting down the number of planners that I have, but I love decorating all of them. So that's why I still use all of them. I could probably condense it into maybe 3 planners, but for now I'm gonna keep using all of them because I love all of them. And yeah, so this was a different kind of video, but I hope you enjoyed it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.